Today we'll start phonetics and phonology. And in phonetics and phonology, we are going to learn about assimilation. Let's see what it is. An adjustment made to accommodate an actual phonetic feature in the immediate environment is called assimilation. See its explanation. One sound will influence a neighboring sound, and the result is that the two blend into same or a similar sound. Let's see the example. First, we'll consider assimilation of n sound, or to make it easier, it is n or n sound. Now, always remember, in common phrases with the prepositions on and in, which are followed by words beginning with bilabial p, b, and sound, always remember n sound changes into sound. What does it mean? Whenever you have preposition on or in, and after that another word comes, and that word starts with p sound, b sound, or m sound. So what's going to happen? N sound or n sound of on or in will be changed into sound. See its examples. Number one, see, it is on paper. So see, the sound is n sound in on, and after that, the first sound of paper is p. So n sound of on will be changed into sound or m sound, and on paper will become on paper. So remember, whenever n sound is followed by p sound, it will be changed into sound. Same is in print. Again, n sound is there and p sound is followed by it. So it will be changed into imprint. You'll not say in print, rather you will say imprint. Now see, on behalf. In first two examples, we have p sound after n sound. Here we have another sound, that is b sound. So it will again, what's going to happen? N sound will be again changed into sound. So on behalf will be changed into on behalf. Let's see another example. In between, same, after n sound, b sound is coming. So in between will be changed into in between. Now there's third sound after n sound of on, that is or m sound. So it will be changed into on Monday, will be changed into on Monday. And remember, there are two m sounds, right? So you will have on Monday. Then in March will be changed into in March. Now, assimilation of n sound will have another situation, that is in common phrases with the prepositions on and in, which are followed by words beginning with velar consonants, which are k or g. N sound changes into a velar ing sound. Before that, there was n sound followed by p, b, or sound. Now it is same. N sound is followed by k or g. So it will be changed into ing sound. See the examples. On course. See, on has the last sound, that is and course have the first sound, that is k. So n sound of on will be changed into ing sound. So on course will become on course. In keeping will be changed into in keeping. Same, see, on grass. Before that, it was k sound, and now we have g sound after n sound of on. So it will be changed, it will be assimilated into ing sound. So on grass will become on grass. Another example, in-goal will become in-goal. See, there's third situation where we can assimilate n sound. And where we find it, we find it where we have prefixes of un or in the words. Look at examples. So unpleasant. So un is prefix. So after n sound, per sound is there. So unpleasant will be pronounced unpleasant. Input will be assimilated into input. Unbalanced. Now, n sound is followed by b sound. So unbalanced will be changed into unbalanced. Inbuilt will be changed into inbuilt. Unmade will be changed into unmade. So inmate will become immate. Unkind will be assimilated into unkind. Incorrect will be changed into incorrect. Ungrateful will be changed into ungrateful. Ingratitude will be changed into ingratitude. Assimilation of n sound will be occurred in phrases too. That is the fourth situation. See the examples. 10 quid will become 10 quid. Fine mess will be changed into fine mess. Fine grain will be changed into fine grain. Gunboat will be changed into gunboat. Gun carrier will be changed into gun carrier. Hen party will become hen party. Thank you for watching.